Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to complete the topic of mean, median, and mode. Now, since we are knowing that the graph has been left, so after completion of mean, median, mode, I will teach you the different types of graphs. Okay, what we made. So, let me start mean now. In a standard, you are done. That is, the collection of total object upon their total number is derived as what? Mean. So simply mean is defined as sum of all the observation divided by total number of observations. Now we should be very careful while counting the number of observations, because sometimes what happens when any observation is going to be missed out, then the value becomes wrong. So always keep concentrating when you are counting the number of observations. And then their sum is also very important, that I will explain you while solving the numerical. So numerically we can write mean represented as bar x is equal to, this is what the symbol of summation xi means what? The total observation, that is the sum of all the observation, divided by their number, and represents what? Number. So this is what the first formula. Once again I am repeating that the left portion of graph will be completed after mean, median, and mode. So this is the first formula to find what? Mean. Now let me explain about median. For median we have different tactics and conditions are there. That is, the first condition to solve the numericals of median is what? We have to arrange the given observations in ascending order. So I am just writing here, it is not for your examination prospectus. To write here, the observations should be arranged in ascending order. We all know what the ascending order is. The second very important thing, that number of observations. Now we have two possibilities of the number of observations. The first one, when the number of observations is what? Even, and the second is when it is what? Odd. Even and odd, that you know. So in case, if suppose the number of observation is 4, 6, 8, 10, then it is considered as what? Even. And for odd it is like 3, 5, 7, 9. By this way, whatever the number comes, it is what? Odd. So while finding median, which is represented by capital M, the first process is what? We have to arrange the observations in ascending order, and then we have to count the number of observations. Okay, either they will be even or odd. So let me explain you about when the observations are even. So for even observation, we will write m is equal to n upon 2 observation plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation divide by 2. This is what we are using when n is even. Okay, the first formula for median, when n is even, we have to use what? N by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole divided by 2 when n is what? Even. And the second formula, that is when n is odd. For odd it is m is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Simply you can define by this formula n plus 1 upon 2th observation, and you will get the value of median. So once again I am repeating here, whenever you are going to solve the numericals for the medians, okay, it is the necessary and compulsory step that you have to arrange the observation in ascending order, and after counting their numbers, if it is even, use this formula, and if it is odd, you will use this formula. And the last one is what? Mode. The third one, it is represented by Z, and there is nothing to panic about the mode. Mode is what? That is the number of most repeated observation. The number of most repeated observation is called mode. Okay. So these are the three formulas which we are going to use for the final exercise of statistics. Okay. Later on, after finishing these three types of numerical, we will go for the graph. Clear? So I will start from mean. Let me explain you by giving an example. Suppose I am writing some observations here. How to find mean? If we are given 2, 8, 1, 5, 7, 6, 6, 2, 3. So this is what the number of observations has been given. We have to find what? Mean of the given observation. So simply what we'll write now, we'll write the formula bar x is equal to summation of x. That is, we have to add all the given terms and divide by total number of observations. So it is 2 plus 8 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. Now let's count their numbers. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's add them. 10, 11. It is something 40 upon 9. So that will be what? The bar x. The value of mean is 40 upon 9. And if it is a completely divisible number, we can cancel it. Otherwise, we will go for their decimal value. It's up to you. So you can leave up to here also. So this is what? The way to find mean. Now the next is what? How to find median. Let me refer you one example from your exercise. We can refer the first question. Suppose we have given 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4 and 3. Now let's find out median, mean and mode for this particular given observation. Okay, this is what? Exercise 14.4, first question. We have to find all mean, median and mode. So for mean, once again it is bar x is equal to summation of xi upon n. So add all the terms here. It is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. We have to count 0 also, because 0 is the whole number we all know. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. And it is divided by, see the number of observations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divide by 10. Now add the sum of all observations. The total of all the observation is what? 28, and it is divided by 10. So the mean of the observation will be bar x is equal to 2.8. Clear? So by this way we can find what? Mean. Once again I repeated the formula and the same question. Now I am going for the median. That is important one. For median, just I am writing here For a preference, the number of observations 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. Now, as I explained you that while finding the value of median, its observations should be arranged in the proper ascending order. So, the first term will be 0, then 1, 2. Please underline it, all the observations, whatever you are writing. So, you will be confirmed that you have copied down the same observations. See how many times 3 is here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 4 and 4. Then we have it is 5. So, the counting should be equivalent in the given random order and ascending order. So, there will be less chance of mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, we will write here n is equal to 10. It is what? Even. So, the formula will be m is equal to n upon 2th observation plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Now, the value of n is 10 plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation and divide by 2. So, 2 5s are 10. We'll write here 5th observation plus 2 5s are 10. 5 plus 1, 6th observation divide by 2. Now, what is 5th observation? Just count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is what? 3. And the 6th observation is again 3. So, from where we got 3 and 3, you can see from here, 5th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 3 and the 6th one is 3. So, it is 6 by 2. So, the median is what? M is equal to 3. Clear? So, why I am using this formula? Because n is equal to 10 is even. In my next segment also, I will tell you when n is equal to what. I will use the different formula for finding mean. And then we are going to find what? Mode. Mode is represented as Z. As I told you that, what is mode? It is the number of repeated observations. So, in this calculation we can see that 3 is the number which is repeated mostly. Okay, 4 times. So, mode will be 3. Clear? So, by this way, okay, we can find mean using this formula. Then it is what? Median. Okay, I have done median for n is equal to 10 even number and then mode. Okay, so for the next segment, I will go for one more numerical for mean, median and mode, where I explain you about when n is given odd. And once again I am repeating that don't panic about the graph. As soon as I will complete 14.4, okay, we will start to make graph also. Okay, see the calculation.